Hello teacher, sau đây mình sẽ giới thiệu về bản thân ở công ty theo yêu cầu của cô giáo. My full name is Nguyễn Văn Hiếu. My first name is Hiếu. My last name is Nguyễn. And my middle name is Văn. I spell my name Nguyenvanieu. I am 27 years old. I'm come from Nghi Lâm, Cam Mui, Nghi Lộc District, Nghệ An Province, Vietnam. I am Vietnamese and now I live in Hanoi. I work as a BIM designer at World Vietnam company. BIM means Building Information Modeling. It's about working with 3D model and managing building information. I really like this job. I usually run in the morning, fishing on the weekend, and spending time with my friend. In my free time, I usually study English, fix my first, and clean my room. I learning English for 3 reasons. First, I help me with my job. Second, it help me talk to other people better. And third, I want to get the full year and bonus from my company.